This LED bathroom mirror has become a perfect addition to my house. When you order the mirror, it's packaged so well it arrives in perfect condition. It comes with all the screws, the user manual, gloves, a handy measuring guide to help you easily mount this onto the wall. After the mirror has been mounted, all that's left to do is connect the cord onto the wall and simply turn it on using the touchscreen button on the front. It comes with a defogger, 3 colored light settings, and an on and off button.